Part 2.
Part 2. My mom texted me, so I had to I like my mom. Okay. Burke, he's an awesome catcher.
Derek Segura, he has practice too. We're gonna be like the last ones here.
Stop videoing your face.
Hey.
Ew.
Don't be mean. Don't be mean.
Ew.
Queer.
You're queer.
So this is our zombies video. How to survive a tornado zombie apocalypse.
Brett Graham and Reese Cowell to the office. Nathaniel Nelson to
Like
the
stay on the
office.
phone with your mom.
Motherfucker.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Motherfucker, I like you.
What'd you say?
Motherfucker.
Richie, I wonder what she's gonna say back to me after I said that. I'm gonna wait.
So I'd be like, it's here! Hey.
She'll be like, no, the tornado's
Sean.
here.
It's
Jack
Sean.
Wilkin to the office.
I think they're overreacting.
Aaron Una.
Oh yeah,
That's
they're
tan.
Hey, can I text my
My
mom?
fingers.
That was in my video.
Get out of my video.
Hey, can I text my mom?
Ow, my neck hurts. Oh, God.
Jack F. Cheris to the office.
Does anyone have a Bible?
Hey, hey,
Grant is like, anybody have
Chase
a Bible?
James to the office.
hey, can I text my mom real quick?
Why?
Can I text
Charlie
like
Duff to the office.
Wait, I got this, ready?
Hey, stop.
The whole class.
Sabrina Childers. Connor Owen. Casey Riley.
Boomer Sooner #1.
Mac Young.
Hey, can I text my mom? Can I text my mom?
Rachel Pham.
What?
Can I text my mom?
Can you?
Jacob
Yes, I
Lumpkin.
can. May I please text my mom?
Maybe. Part 3,
Cody
listen 5
Gilliland.
seconds.